Joseph Motors is going to add another vehicle to the YouTube page. It's a 2015 extended cab 250 utility body. It's got 122,000 miles. It is a all-Southern truck, rust-free, really nice piece of equipment that we've got here. Johnny and I are going to go over some points on this thing here. Not a lot to talk about. Just a nice, clean truck. Four-wheel drive. Shifter on the floor. It's going to have a trailer tow package built in from the factory. Trailer tow trim built in from the factory. Plain Jane, AM/FM radio, roll-up windows, manual shift four-wheel drive. Got built-in airbags. That's side impact airbags. It's got a reading body on it, which I really like. I think it's the highest quality body out there. We did our spray-in truck bed liner here. This is a custom coat truck bed liner that we got. I think it's one of the better ones that are out there. Side steps. Not a whole bunch on this thing. Plain Jane keeps it simple and easy. It's got the power inverter built in too that's on it. Boxes are in good shape. Thin ply, all matching tires that are on it. Fully serviced on our fleet repair center where we do all of the fluid changes on it and everything. Really, really nice unit. If you got any questions about this truck, please do contact me. My name is Nick. Johnny's on the other side of the phone. Our phone number is 919-661-2886. Or hit us up on the website at josephmotorsnc.com. Thank you. Have a great day.